welcome to another video by Adrian and Davey from Pure Electric. Recently I was searching online for a way to null leads on a socket, simple socket. So here you go, we've got my test here, my tester, plug adapter, doing ring testing and R1, R2 testing of sockets. And I'm used to having to put something metallic between the two poles and link them out and trying to get a test reading. And I was doing this at college with the apprentices. And it's hit and miss. You know, the readings are going up and down. It's all over the show. So I thought there must be a better way. Now, Fluke sell a socket adapter, which is basically a piece of metal, and it pushes in between the socket pins, and it does it like that. They're £50, and I thought that's a lot of money for something that looks like it costs about 50p. So I put a tweet out on Twitter and a LinkedIn and a few other socials, Facebook and what have you, and asked if anybody had a better idea or seen something else of similar. Because I wanted to look professional. While that was going on, I then thought, well, actually, all I've got to really do is just link out a standard socket, but it doesn't look very professional. And also, I don't want apprentices to get the wrong idea about this. You know, I want them to think that what we do is professional. We're not just fudging things together. So it reminded me of a post that I saw on Twitter not long ago, where somebody had made a simple attachment for their socket adapter. So socket adapter, this goes on your tool bag. I've got a simple carabiner here to hook it on. That goes in there, keeps it safe. I then started thinking about that and thought, well, maybe the next step is that inside this, we link out all the internals, and this then becomes the nulling adapter for your test meter. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got my multifunction tester set up to low ohms resistance. I've got no continuity, the gate is closed. Let me just unnull this. I plug it into the socket adapter that I've made, and I'm getting a resistance of 0.18. I can then zero that. Okay, I can take that back out, check that it's nulled, and there we go, we're at 0, the socket. Okay, so here's what I did. Here's the single socket. I've just taken the screws out for a second, I've put those to one side, so as you can see it just opens up, standard socket inside. I've bent some copper to sit in here, which I'll show you in a second, and I've got a bungee cord. Okay, so at the moment, bungee cord's like this. All I've done is I've tied a knot in one end to tie a knot in it, and I've pulled that tight, and then I've chopped the end off. Okay, because obviously this is all elastic band type material in here. If I didn't tie this, it would just all spring down to the other end. And then what I've done is I've been left with this. Okay, I've got the carabiner, and I've threaded that through the end of the bungee cord, like so, and just slotted that down. Then what I've done is I've got the folded bit of copper. I've done one terminal at a time. Done up tight, and into the earth pin. Done up tight, and then finally into the neutral. Nice and tight. Bend it down out the way. Get your bungee cord. The reason I've tied a knot in there is so that when I put this in like this, underneath the cord grip, the bungee cord won't pull out. Okay, so now when I pull it, that's not going anywhere. Close the case up. It took me all of about 20 minutes to build that from scratch, and that was without sourcing materials and trying different things. So socket adapter, trading socket lead, shall I say, that was £5. 6 karabiners for £10 off of Amazon, and a bit of bungee cord that I had sitting around. I can't see those being expensive. And now I've got a socket adapter which I can hook to my tool bag or onto my belt if I was working, which is also capable of nulling my test lead. So again, put that there, make sure it's unnulled, plug in my socket adapter, 0.15, null that, take it back out again and put that back in. Perfect. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share this video.